We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
If your TV remote control doesn't work, the power button isn't turning on the TV anymore, and you've tried to replace the batteries, then electric paint is a great and easy way to fix the buttons of your remote control, without needing a soldering iron. Over time, these rubber buttons can wear away and cease working.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.